You stand in your home. You look around. Clothes pile on the chair. Mail stacks on the counter. Shoes scattered in the hallway. And somewhere inside you, a voice whispers that you are lazy, that you lack discipline, that you simply do not care. But what if that voice is completely wrong? What if your messy room is not a character flaw, but a mirror of your mind? 1. You have executive dysfunction. Cleaning requires planning, initiating, and finishing tasks. Executive dysfunction makes all three nearly impossible. You pick up a shirt. You see a book. You remember the coffee mug. Suddenly you are doing 3 things at once and forgetting what you started with. This is not laziness. This is your brain's working memory struggling to handle too much at once. For people with ADHD, this becomes unbearable. 2. You are living with cognitive overload. Your brain is already exhausted. It is managing too many tasks, too many thoughts, too many decisions. Adding cleaning, a task requiring focus and energy, feels impossible. Research shows that people living in cluttered spaces have elevated cortisol levels, chronic stress. Your nervous system registers that environment as a persistent threat. The clutter is not the problem. The overwhelming exhaustion is. 3. Depression is making everything feel impossible. When depression settles in, basic self-care feels insurmountable. Washing a dish takes everything you have. Folding a towel feels impossible. And then something cruel happens. The mess reinforces the depression. It becomes a physical manifestation of how empty you feel inside. The cycle gets worse. The mess makes you feel like you are failing. The feeling makes cleaning feel even more impossible. 4. Decision paralysis is paralyzing you. Every single object in your home demands a decision. Keep it or throw it away. Where does it go? What if you need it later? Instead of deciding, you set it down. You promise yourself you will decide later. That moment never comes. Your clutter is not mess. It is a physical monument of unmade choices. Indecision becomes habit. Habit becomes paralysis. 5. Nagging makes everything worse. When someone tells you to clean, something inside you resists. Psychology calls this psychological reactance. It is your instinct to resist a perceived loss of autonomy. You dig your heels in. The demand makes you want to clean even less. You do not need shame. You do not need pressure. You need permission to be human, an understanding of why your space reflects your exhaustion. You are not broken. Your mess is not a character flaw. It is a symptom of an overwhelmed nervous system. But here is the hope. When you are ready to start, even clearing one small space can restore your sense of control and soothe your anxiety. If this felt personal, like this video, comment. What is one thing you wish people understood about messy spaces? Share it with someone who needs to hear they are not lazy. And subscribe. This channel is built for the psychology of your real life.